Welcome to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I am going to discuss how to use Python libraries using Google Colab. We'll be doing some program as well. So first of all, let's see how to create one-dimensional array using Google Colab. So what you are supposed to do is, first of all, you have to open the Google Colab, then open the interactive shell. Here, you can start a new notebook. So let's see how to create one-dimensional array. So if you want, you can rename the particular file. Fine, that's up to you. So here, in order to create one-dimensional array, we require one library called pandas. So to import pandas, you can use the command import pandas as PD. That means that means the short form you are only creating like a PD. So let us call a particular array like 1, 2, 3. I'm creating an array called my list, and 1, 2, 3 will be stored in my list. Okay, so to create panda series, then you are using the series method by using this particular command pd.series my list. I need to print the this particular series. So print of series /n, res. Res already I called. Okay. Now if I go for the run button, I'm able to get the particular output as a one-dimensional array. So all are integer data type only. Okay, this is the way how to use pandas for creating one-dimensional array in Google Colab. So moving further, these are the another example. Okay, as you can see, so another example of creating the list of integers, and this is actually just like a one-dimensional array. Similarly, if you want, you can save the program. Go to file and save. Okay, so another one is called Numpy. Okay, it's another library function, Numpy. Okay, Numpy program using Google Colab. So first of all, in Google Colab, already pre-installed library is already available. So first of all, what you are supposed to do is create a new notebook. Okay, as you can observe, create a new notebook. Fine. So next, what you are supposed to do is you have to rename it. Then you have to type the program here. Import Numpy as np. Okay, so let me call a new name as np. So then what you are supposed to do is to create a new object in first array. You can call your own variable, the print, okay, all the things you can print. So ultimately you will be getting the output in this fashion. Fine. So this is the way how to make Numpy in Google Collaboratory. Similarly, if I want to have like a data visualization plotting, I need to use a new library function called Matplotlib as like your Jupyter Notebook. So Matplotlib is a Python library. The main purpose is to plot the graph. It is used for the data visualization, and it's an open source and free to use. Okay, so this is regarding Matplotlib, another library function. So let's see how to make use of Matplotlib. Initially, you have to create the new notebook and rename it. Later, you can type the program to plot a straight line. Okay, so what you are supposed to do is, first of all, you have to import Matplotlib. Okay, then you can call it as a short form like a PLT. Later, you can we require, in order to create the array, we need like Numpy is to be created. Later, what you can do is you can name it x label, and x and y variable you can create. Use the plotting function. Then to get the output, you can use plot.show. Okay, so type the same program, then go for the run button. Ultimately, you will be getting the straight line like this. Okay, this is regarding how to plot the straight line using Google Colab, and you are making use of Matplotlib as well as Numpy. Both are required because array creation Numpy is needed, and we require Matplotlib also for the visualization. So image can be copied thereafter for your purpose. For your project purpose, you can copy the image. Okay, then ultimately it will be copied in the drive. Okay, so if you want, you can share the notebook. First of all, you have to create the tuple using Google Colab. So we have the sharing option is available here. So you have to create the tuple. So I created a tuple here. Okay, so if you want, you can type the sharing is possible by typing the mail ID so that other person can access this same program. Okay. So this is the way how to access the share the program. Also, you can use and share the code without signing by using the cognitive mode. Let's go for the cognitive mode. So no login is required. That is also another option. So in this session, I discussed about how to access library function in Google Colab, and basic programs also we have discussed. Let me know if you have any queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning.